guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create database and how to create a table in database by using SQL queries. So let's get started. Press window button in your PC and right over here Xampp control panel. I have explained in previous video how to install Xampp Server in your Windows operating system. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch, then you can watch this video. Press enter. You will see the interface like this. What should you have to do? You have to click on the start button, Apache, and then you have to click on the start button on MySQL. So after that, you have to click on admin. You will see the interface like that. After that, what you have to do, just go in SQL. Here you can write the queries. So what we have to do, we have to create a new database. So we write the query like create database. Here we have to write the name of the database. So what is the name of the database? Let's say only. So this is how you can create a database. What should you have to do? You have to write create keyword, then database, then the name of the database. What is the syntax? Create, then database, then name of DB. You have to write the name of database. Okay. So how we create that database? You have to click over here on go button. So if I click on this go button, then so the database is created because the query is run successfully. So again, click over here. Here we have database named only. So the database is created. Now we will learn how to create a table. So just click on SQL. Then what query you have to write? Just write create table. Now we have to write the name of the table. Let's say YouTube channel. In parentheses, we have to write the columns which we want in our table. So let's say I want table public, either channel is public or private. Then I have to mention the data type of this public variable. So varchar 150. 150 is the number of character which I can able to write in public. Does it mean? The name of public variable means if there is no need to write 150, I'll write 50. So I am able to write 50 words, or I am able to store 50 words in public variable. So after that, I will create second column in my database. What is the name of that column? Number of videos. How many videos I have uploaded. So the data type is int. Now this is the simple query to create a database table. So what I have to write, create keyword, then table keyword. After that, we have to write the name of the table. After that, we will add column in the table. So first we have to declare the name of the column. So what is the name of the column is public. Then we have to describe the data type of the table, which is varchar. After that, we have to write the number of characters we can write in public variable. After that, we have to we declared second column like number of videos. Then the data type is int. So let me run it for you. Just click on this go button. What is the error? No database is selected. So just copy this query. Then click on Omni database. Then again go to SQL. Paste the query over here. Then click on go button. So you see the query runs successfully. So let me show you. This is Omni, and here is the table YouTube channel. In YouTube channel, we have two columns, public and number of videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.